A very good morning, my dear students. In previous video, we have discussed about health and quality of population of the chapter People as Resources, and today we will discuss about education, its importance, and steps taken by the government to promote education. We all know that education is considered as the third eye of man, and education is seen as a means of cultural transmission from one generation to another. It transmits the cultural activities in the society, and educational institutions like schools are the micro societies. These are the mirror of entire society, and the education system in any given society prepares the child for future life, and it enables him to live a peaceful and prosperous life. So now let's discuss about the importance of education. Education is very important in our life. It is very important for a better future. Here are some points because of that education is important. First is it makes better citizens. Education makes very better citizen as it promotes good qualities in human beings. We get to know our history and culture through education, and education opens our mind and expand our horizon. It enables us to understand our duties as a citizen and encourages us to follow them. So it makes us better citizen. Now it ensures a productive future. Because of education, people get very good jobs. If they are skilled and got good education, then they will they have talent and skill, and they will get very good jobs. Third one is open new vistas. Education broadens our mental landscape, and it is the way forward to greater enlightenment and the ultimate goal of every human in life. So education reduces poverty, it boosts economic growth, and it leads to better health and survival rates and promotes gender equality. Next importance is it spreads awareness. Education spread awareness, and it informs us about our rights and services that we can access. And on the most basic note, it teaches us the differentiate between right and wrong. Next point is it helps in decision making. Education enables us to take good decisions because we got knowledge about all the aspects of our life, and we can take very good decisions. We can education helps in making right decisions and prevent losses. Now these were the importance of education. First was it makes this better citizen. Second, it ensures productive future. It opens new vistas, and it spread awareness, and it helps in decision making. Now let's talk about the education and democracy. Education is very important in democracy because it awares us about the rights and duties, and it can help people participate in democracy in a variety of ways. It reduces illiteracy, it encourages our skills, and it enables them to take part in political discussions. Providing education to poor and young people often means they are more likely to participate in meetings of local political bodies and managing resources such as education, health and water. So education is very important in democracy also. Now we will discuss about the steps taken by the government for to spread the education. It is very important question. Government had established Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district. Government has launched various schemes of providing universal access, retention and quality and elementary education with the special emphasis on girls. There is also a establishment of pace setting of schools like Navodaya Vidyalaya in each district. Vocational streams have been developed to equip a large number of high school students with occupation related to knowledge and skill. Government has started Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan. It is a significant step towards providing elementary education to all the children in the age group of 6 to 14 years. And the Right to Education Act has been passed by the Indian Parliament to provide free and compulsory education of all children in the age of 6 to 14 years. To make education a fundamental right, the Indian Parliament passed RTE. RTE means Right to Education Bill in 2009. So government has started many steps to spread the education and to make a better future. So my dear students, that's all from my side today. We will discuss next